Puris puff up excellent when you have awesome curry to go along with it. And when you love something, you can make anything happen. I'm going crazy with this nice puffed up puris. Every ingredient that I'm using to cook this, of course, not oil, salt. Okay, so not every ingredient except oil and salt. Pretty much all these ingredients are from my farm. We got chicken, we got potatoes, we got cherry tomatoes. I've got, habanero chilies, basically some sauce. So, when you have a farm, when you start growing vegetables, then you would like to make, recipes using the fresh ingredients. Especially, they're organic. To make this recipe, I'm using fennel. Just throw some fennel in the soil and you will get these nice flavorful greens, and you can use them in cooking. I'm going to show you in what all recipes you can use them. But the fennel, you can just add to a lot of recipes. Anywhere, wherever you're using tomato and gravies and all that, is excellent, especially even for breakfast. And in this, we're going to add some onion, pinch of salt, and let these onions cook a little bit. Look at this peppers. They are pretty much mixed up in my chef coat. But what I'm doing is, these are habaneros, very hot chilies. So I'm just giving a little bit gashes. Once the onions are slightly cooked, now add chicken pieces also into this. This is nice and tender chicken. I've got variety of chicken, and some chicken are excellent for curry. Some chicken like kadaknath is good, but when you eat it, it is more fibrous and it is very dark meat. And some people love it. The country chicken is best for curries. Some broiler chicken is especially good for quick cooking. Let this chicken also slightly cook in this. I hope you guys remember we made a reel on turmeric. Still, even now we have got a lot of fresh turmeric. We're going to make some recipes with that. Even for breakfast, you can use raw turmeric. And in this, add ginger garlic paste. I have just replanted a lot of garlic, and growing vegetables is fun. But growing vegetables, it's a long curve. And here, I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes, we have so much of them. In the market, they are sold like 300 rupees a kg. But here, Ghar ki murgi, dal barabar. And none of my guys who work here, they want to take home, because picking up these cherry tomatoes itself is a very big task. Now, in this, I'm going to add some potatoes with the water. That's all. Only salt and no masalas. And these habanero chilies, I'm going to add when the chicken and the potatoes are cooked and the gravy is getting thickened. We're going to enjoy it with puri. Last, add some pepper and let it cook for few more minutes. You can also add fresh coriander leaves if you want, but I want to get the flavor of that fennel and then my habanero chilies. Wow, another few minutes it will be done, and we're going to eat it with puri. And this is all done. Perfect for my puri. And fresh coriander. Mix it. Aha, that will be awesome. Now let's fry some puris and enjoy it. Let it slide into hot oil and then rub its belly. When you rub it to the belly, puris puff up excellent when you have awesome curry to go along with it. And when you love something, you can make anything happen. I'm going crazy with this nice puffed up puris. Hot yet mild. I mean to say, this is masala free, and with the puris and the chicken. The chili hotness from habanero and the nice soap flavor, the chicken, it's just too good. Not always. You need to pump a lot of masalas. This is excellent. Enjoy it, and absolutely boomba boomba.